Have you ever thought about the deep ocean and outer space? They might seem worlds apart, but they share some mind-blowing similarities. Imagine diving into the depths of the ocean, where light barely penetrates and pressure becomes crushing. Now, picture an astronaut floating in the vastness of space, surrounded by silence and darkness. Both environments are alien in their own right, and today, we're diving into this fascinating comparison. Let's start with pressure. In the deep ocean, the further you go, the more pressure builds up. At 33 feet down, you experience a pressure of 1 atmosphere. But dive deeper, say to 36,000 feet, and you're facing over 1,000 times the pressure at sea level. That's like having a small car resting on your chest. Now, in outer space, the pressure is almost non-existent. Imagine being in a vacuum where there's no air, no support, just an eerie emptiness. Both environments test the limits of human endurance. So, how do living creatures survive? In the dark depths of the ocean, life flourishes in ways that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. Bioluminescent creatures flicker like stars in the abyss. You've got anglerfish with their glowing lures, giant squid with their mesmerizing forms, and even jellyfish that float gracefully like cosmic entities. These organisms have adapted to extreme pressure, darkness, and cold. Now, let's shift our gaze to space. Astronauts encounter microgravity and intense radiation. Yet, like those deep-sea creatures, they don't go in unprepared. They wear suits that protect them from the harsh environment. But what if we could learn from the ocean? What if astronauts trained underwater to prepare for their missions? Consider this. Underwater habitats could mimic some of the conditions found in space. They could provide a controlled environment to study how humans adapt to isolation, pressure, and darkness. Imagine astronauts living in a submerged habitat for weeks at a time, conducting experiments and preparing for their missions. Just like scuba divers, they'd learn to manage their breathing and conserve energy in high-pressure situations. And let's not forget about the psychological aspect. The ocean is a place of mystery and beauty, but it's also isolating. Just like long-duration space missions, being deep underwater can mess with your mind. Astronauts in space talk about the overview effect, a feeling of awe and connection when looking back at Earth. What might divers experience, surrounded by an endless blue and the knowledge that the surface is far above? But there's another layer to this comparison. The technology used to explore the deep sea and outer space is cutting edge. Submersibles like the Alvin and the Deep Sea Challenger are marvels of engineering, much like the spacecraft we send to Mars. Both require innovations in materials and design to withstand extreme conditions. Now, think about the food. Astronauts eat specially prepared meals, designed to last and provide nutrients. In the ocean, we're already exploring sustainable sources of food from the sea, like cultivating seaweed or growing fish in underwater farms. Could these techniques help astronauts grow food on long missions? It's a tantalizing thought. As we push towards deeper exploration, we're realizing that the ocean isn't just a resource, it's a training ground. The skills developed underwater, teamwork, resource management, and adaptation are crucial for future space missions. So what's the takeaway here? The deep ocean and outer space are connected in ways we're only beginning to understand. Whether it's the pressure, the darkness, or the alien-like organisms, both environments challenge our understanding of life and survival. As we look to the stars, let's not forget the mysteries lurking beneath the waves. They could be the key to unlocking the secrets of space travel and human endurance. Imagine the possibilities that await if we embrace both realms, learning from the depths as we reach for the cosmos. Isn't that a journey worth taking?